DRC, Kagame dares South Africa. South Africa military presence in the eastern DR Congo is not a declaration of war against any country or state. The members of the South African National Defense Force that are in DRC are part of the SADC and the United Nations efforts to bring peace and protect thousands of lives. Cyril Ramaphosa, but we are Gambi. Cyril Ramaphosa. I held two conversations this week with President Ramaphosa on the situation in Eastern Congo, including earlier today. What has been said about this conversation in the media by South African officials and President Ramaphosa himself contains a lot of distortion, deliberate attacks, and even lies. If words can change so much from a conversation to a public statement, it says a lot about how these very important issues are being managed. Because it's no issue is important now, but what if President 7 maybe abasajja M23 basabanga biringa ebitali bingi basaba kubayingiza mu maje babere nga bafuka party ejiri Congo na kubayamba kudda mu byalo gye badduka
amajago galina amateeka nana wana abana bangi abagala oyingira amaje nantero batwale ewafande naye galina seba amateeka ate kati gatwala abantu balamu era mwekume nga muli balamu abana bamu bagala kuyingira just banyumireyo combat babala abantu basamuwa izinga banyumye akuba boot na kwa maye basirikale nadala abSFC banyuma babateeka mu sente mpitirivu ngosanza abana besimati ngo bulungi bwe bati kati olusi bye biroto naye abamaje abasinga abamu bagenda okunga bagala kuwolera naye amaje botukayo psychologically ga kuchikujamu nobera ngo osobola okufuna omutima gw'eggwanga so abana balina amaanyi temwastinga time mugende muyingira amaje mulwanirire ensi yammwe.
Download the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.